English with Little Angel Reader.
English with Little Angel Reader.
Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.
Little Angel Reader.
English with Little Angel Reader. Level 1, Lesson 27. Questions. Let's check your homework. The children are walking in the park. Let's ask all types of questions together. 1. Are the children walking in the park? Yes, they are. They are walking in the park. 2. Are the children walking or running in the park? Walking. 3. The children are walking in the park, aren't they? Yes, they are. The children are not running in the park, are they? No, they are not. They are walking. Who, how, why, where, what, when? 4. What are the children doing? They are walking in the park. Where are the children walking? In the park. Who is walking in the park? The children are. The children are walking in the park. What's this?
This is a spider.
Yes, it's a spider. Black spider. What's that?
That is a cat.
That is a cat. Orange cat. What's that?
This is a dog.
Dog. What's this?
This is a snake.
It's a snake. What's this?
This is a lion.
This is a lion. And this is an
Elephant.
elephant. A gray elephant. Well done. Let's sing a song. Let's sing a song.
Apples, apples, 1, 2, 3. Apples, apples, 1, 2, 3. One for you, one for me, one for the teacher. 1, 2, 3. Cookies, cookie, cookies, cookies. 1, 2, 3. Cookies, cookies. 1, 2, 3. One for you, one for me, one for the teacher. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Max.
You're welcome.
Oh, I love you guys.
You're welcome.
I love you.
Oh,
Thank you.
I love your camera.
Oh.
The snack time song. Cookies, cookies, 1, 2, 3. Cookies, cookies, 1, 2, 3. One for you, one for me, one for the teacher. 1, 2, 3. Apples, apples, 1, 2, 3. Apples, apples, 1, 2, 3. One for you, one for me, one for the teacher. 1, 2, 3.
Let's sing a song. Let's sing a song.
The snack time song. Cookies, cookies, 1, 2, 3. Cookies, cookies, 1, 2, 3. One for you, one for me, one for the teacher. 1, 2, 3. Apples, apples, 1, 2, 3. Apples, apples, 1, 2, 3. One for you, one for me, one for the teacher. 1, 2, 3.
Good job. Well done. Let's play with Max. Let's play with Max. Okay, Max, it's your turn. We're playing Go Fish.
Can you ride a bike? Can you ride a bike?
Can you ride a bike? Yes, I can. I can ride a bike. Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My turn. Can you swim? Can you swim?
No, go fish.
Okay. Your turn.
Can you play tennis?
Can you play tennis? No, I can't play tennis. Go fish. Can you play the guitar?
No, go fish.
Okay. Your turn, Max. Oh, I have a match. Swim. Swim, swim. It's a match. Can you swim? I can swim. Can you swim?
Can you play the piano?
Can you play the piano? No, I can't play the piano. Go fish. Can you play the guitar?
No, go fish.
Okay.
Can you jump far?
Can you jump far? No, I can't jump far. Go fish. Please give me play the piano. Can you play the piano?
Here you are.
Thank you. Play the piano. Can you play the piano? I can't. I can't play the piano. And you? Can you play the piano?
I have a match. Blow, bubble, blow, bubble.
Max, can you blow a bubble?
Yes, I can.
Max, can you blow a bubble?
Yes, I can. I can blow a bubble.
I can blow a bubble. Okay, Max, it's the first match.
Second match.
Second match, okay. My turn? Can you ride a scooter?
Here you are.
Can you ride a scooter?
Yes, I can. Here you are.
I can ride a scooter. Can you ride a scooter? Do you have a scooter? What color is your scooter? Look, the girl is riding a scooter. Okay, Max, your turn.
Can you play the drums?
Can you play the drums? No, I can't play the drums. Go fish. A match?
Yeah, I have a match.
What is it?
Play tennis, play tennis.
You can play tennis. Okay. Now it's my turn. Can you sing well? La 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 la. Can you sing well?
No, go fish.
Okay. Oh, I got a match. Sing well. Can you sing well? Okay. Can you sing a song? Okay, Max, it's your turn.
Can you jump far?
Can you jump far? No, I can't. Go fish. I can't jump far. Go fish. It's my turn now. Can you skate? Can you ice skate?
No, go fish.
Okay, your turn. Oh, I got a match. Skate. Skate, skate. Can you skate? Can you ice skate? I can skate. I can skate. I am skating. I am skating. We are skating. We are skating. I am skating. Max is skating. We are skating. The woman is skating. The woman is skating. Ice skating. Max is learning to skate. He is learning to skate. He is learning to skate. Can you skate? Can you skate? Yes, I can. No, I can't. Yes, I can. No, I can't. Okay, Max, you ask me. Ask
Can
me.
you whistle?
Whistle. No, I can't whistle. Okay, my turn. Can you play the guitar?
Jump far, jump far.
You have a match. Jump far. Can you jump far? Max, can you play the guitar?
No, go fish.
Okay, your turn.
Can you play the drums?
No, go fish. I can't play the drums. Boom, boom, boom. Can't play the drums.
Play the drums, play the drums.
Oh, you have a match. Play the drums. Can you play the drums? Boom, boom, boom. Max, can you whistle?
Yes, I can whistle.
Okay.
Here you are.
Thank you. Can you whistle? Look, the boy is whistling. What is the boy doing? He's whistling. Listen, I am whistling. Max, can you whistle? Can you whistle like me?
No.
Okay, it's your turn. Okay, Max, your turn.
Can you play the guitar?
Yes, I can. I can play the guitar. Here you are.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's count the cards. Are you ready to count?
Okay.
Okay, let's count together. Slowly. Wait for me. Okay, let's count. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11,
12.
12.
Oh, it's a tie! You have 12 cards, and I have 12 cards. It's a tie, Max. Give me 5, give me 5. Give me 5. Yay! Clap, clapping. Mouse, mice.
Clap, clapping. Mouse, mice.
Look, the mice are clapping.
Look, the mice are clapping.
Max is a mouse. Max is a mouse. Questions. Questions. The swans are swimming. The swans are swimming. Let's ask all types of questions together. 1. Are the swans swimming?
Are the swans swimming?
Yes, they are. They are swimming.
Yes, they are. They are swimming.
2. Are the swans swimming or dancing?
Are the swans swimming or dancing?
They are swimming.
They are swimming.
3. The swans are swimming, aren't they?
The swans are swimming, aren't they?
Yes, they are. They are swimming.
Yes, they are. They are swimming.
Who, how, why, where, what, when. 4. What are the swans doing?
What are the swans doing?
Swimming. They are swimming.
Swimming. They're swimming.
The swans are not dancing, are they?
The swans are not dancing, are they?
No, they aren't. They are not dancing.
No, they aren't. They are not dancing.
They are swimming.
They are swimming.
Who is swimming?
Who is swimming?
The swans are swimming.
The swans are swimming.
Good job. Well done. You are so smart. Your homework. Ask all types of questions. Two ducks are swimming.
Thank you for learning English with us.
Yes, thank you for learning English with us.
Little angel reader, read along with Angel Reader. Have some fun with Angel Reader.
Little angel reader.